Ooh.
Baron Davis, welcome to Simple Human Corporate. Hey, I'm Doug. I deal with the new hires.
Nice to meet you, Doug. This is amazing. I'm ready to get going.
Yeah, and actually I didn't get a lot of background information, so maybe you could catch me up. I was told that you wanted to intern here. Is that right?
Absolutely.
You're an NBA All-Star, so if you don't mind me asking, why are you here?
I mean, honestly, this place is amazing. The innovation of new product done with Hollywood, done with sports. I'm looking for a different way to reinvent myself. Simplify. SimpleBaron. So I think you guys got a lot to teach me. I'm willing to do whatever it takes, just like I did on the court. And I want us to get that in-season championship for innovation. Whatever we got to do, let's go. Starting from the bottom, that's why I'm here. Let's get it.
Yeah, hey, all right.
Okay, let's go.
All right, well, let's get started.
Let's
all right,
go.
so the first thing that you can help us with is the dishes. It's gonna be so easy with this automated soap dispenser. Comes right out, grab one.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. That ain't gonna happen. We can try something else, but that ain't happening.
Love that. See the whole place? Let's go. Great.
Let's hit it.
Okay. All right, well, let's check in with our voice-activated trash can and see if it's time to take some garbage out. Open can.
Dude, that's the ST2031 sensor can.
Yeah.
Do you know what that is? Open can.
So, you wanna maybe take that out for me?
Like take the trash out? I mean,
Maybe.
come on, dude.
You
No,
know,
I'm not gonna do that
Okay.
at all. But I do have an idea.
I'd love to hear it.
We can play one-on-one, and whoever loses takes out the trash. What do you think? Open can? Say yes. Oh, he said yes. Oh, let's go.
I don't know if
Here's
that's
the
fair,
ball.
or even my job, so.
That's okay. Let's go.
Come on, you ready? Let's go.
Oh!
Here we go.
My ball.
Come on, man, that was a foul. What are you?
Bucket.
What? All right, fine.
Man, great day today, champ. Today was awesome, man.
Was it?
Did you see that? We on our way. Mid-season form. Take out the trash.
All right, I'm gonna get the trash today. Breathe it out. You're good. Another day.